during inspections, the customers have us inspect the utility poles, and when they fall out of NESC code, 67% or less is determined that it's no longer serviceable. That pole needs replacement, it needs restoration, it needs a repair of some kind to bring it back into code. So replacements, they cost a lot of money, a lot of manpower, a lot of time, a lot of planning, and sometimes power outages. Restoration is a great solution where a lot less time, a lot less overhead planning. We could do this in a matter of days or weeks. We can mobilize and install this truss without a power outage in less than an hour on average. So that's a huge benefit to the customer to remedy a situation very, very quickly, low cost relative to replacing the structure, and get it back into code.